I grew up in the country, so I grew up with well water, so going to city water was just a little bit. Is a Brita water filter and a trio pack of filters worth it? So I've had this filter for over 2 years now. I use it every single day. I'm the only person that uses it, and you can tell that it's a little foggy right now because I just washed it out with hot water. I had had the same filter in here for an embarrassing amount of time before I decided I needed to get a trio pack. Of course, it's gonna tell you how many glasses of water, how many gallons that it's filtering and doing all those things. But honestly, for me, it's all about making it taste better. Also, you don't want any gross stuff in your water, but really, I just want it to taste good. Now, I will say there are no instructions in this box of refills, but what I know from past boxes that I have bought is you have to prep the filter first. So turn on some water and just allow this to be rinsed under your sink for 30 seconds. So this filter is gonna fit right into that hole, and you wanna line up. Looks like, yeah, this is the longer side. See how it's got that longer slit up the side? You wanna match it up inside there. Ta-da! Just fill up the blue part to the water line, and you're good to go. You're gonna have some tasty, delicious water. But this makes the process so much nicer, and now you'll actually be encouraged to drink more water on the daily. Highly recommend not only the pitcher, but also getting the refills and trying to make sure that you get those as often as possible so you're never without nice, tasty water. Yes. After 2 years, that little bar supposed to tell you if you need to change your filters. This guy still works 2 years later. Very impressive.